Hi children, good morning everyone. How are you? So, in our bridge course, today we are going to learn handwriting. So, in this session, I will teach you cursive writing, how to write in a cursive manner. Before going to cursive writing, first we have to learn the strokes for writing in a easy manner. So, let me introduce the lines in which we are writing. In your childhood, you have learned 4 line ruled book, how to write in a 4 line ruled book. So, let me introduce what are those lines called. So, these are the 4 lines in which you will write your cursive writing. So let me start introducing these lines. The first line is called ascender line. The second line is called X height line. The third line is called base line. The fourth line is called descender line. Let me repeat it once again. First line is called ascender line. Second line is called X height line. Third line is called base line and fourth line is called descender line. So let me introduce the strokes which you will learn now. So there are 6 strokes in this cursive writing. So in this first part, let us learn how to write the strokes. So you will start here and draw a slant line. So these are the slant strokes like this. Without gapping in between them, you will just write like this with some stroke. So it will be useful in your cursive writing. So first learn to write these slant strokes. After learning them, so write them with a bit of gap like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this. So this is your first stroke, and after writing like this, you will give a little bit of gap between them and you will write the stroke. Now what you will do? Now from here you just overwrite them and join like this, which will give a curve like this. This should not go outside. Keep remember that the stroke should not go outside, which will be very useful in your cursive writing. So this is your second stroke. Next, third stroke. The same you will repeat like this. The same you will repeat like this, giving the gaps, writing the slant stroke like this. Now you have joined the underneath of these lines. Now you join the up part of these strokes, which is the third one in your cursive writing, like this, like this, like this. So this is your third stroke. First stroke is slant stroke, writing the lines with some sort of slope. In between them there will be no gap, and after writing them you will just give a gap and you will join the underneath of the stroke. Now after completion of this, you will write the same slant stroke giving gaps and you will join the up part of the stroke. So you will hand will be in such a way that you can write the cursive curves easily. Now coming to the fourth one, you will start from here and write a slant stroke like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. After practicing like this, you just give some sort of gap and write like this. like this. Now what you will do is, from this baseline, you start from here. From this baseline, you just make a curve and come down, and make another curve down, and make a curve up and come down, again join this and make a loop like this. You join this like in such a manner, and you will stop here. This is your fourth one. So this is a part of this one. So remember this, writing a slant stroke from ascender to base without giving gaps. After this, you will write the slant stroke with giving gaps. From the baseline you start and make a loop like this, and you will make a loop and join the bottom to the top, and you will rotate this slopes like this until the end. Now fifth one. So in this before stroke, you have started from ascender to base. Now you will start from x height to descender like this, like this, like this, giving some sort of gaps like this. Now you start joining them like this, giving a curve, loop like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and stop here. So these are some of the strokes. This is writing the stroke in between the excite line and the base line. So after this, you will give some gaps and join the down part with a curve like this. So after this, you will draw the same curve, giving some gaps, and you will join the upper part of the stroke. Now after this, you will draw a line from the ascender to base without giving gaps. After this, you will write the same stroke with giving gaps, and you will start this from the baseline, and you will make a loop and join until the end. After this, the same line will be written from excite line to descender line. So after this, you will join the stroke like this by giving a loops like this. So these are 5 strokes. So another 2 strokes are there. So let us learn now. Now you will start from the baseline and make a C curve like this, and you will continually make like this, like this. The C should not go outside of the lines like this, like this, like this, which makes your cursive writing more easier. So the next one is it is in opposite manner, which will start from the baseline, same baseline, and we will make the curve like this, which will be useful in some alphabets, like this, like this, like this, like this, and it will stop here. So the last and most important strokes which will be useful in 1 or 2 letters. So I will teach in a parallel manner with these. You just follow them. So these are vowels with the some slope, some sort of slope, which will be useful in some letters. These are vowels. You just practice them. Like this. Now the last one So it will be started from the baseline. You just go like with the slant stroke and make a loop like this, small loop, and come down and make a loop like this and make a loop here. With the same slope it should be done. So see careful whether the lines are coming correctly or not. This is the last one. So hope you all understood these strokes. The next part will be posted in the next section of the class. Thank you.